Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a very fun haul for you today. This is my Chanel Factory No. 5 haul. If you're unaware, a few weeks ago Chanel celebrated their 100th anniversary of the Chanel No. 5 perfume, and in honor of that they released this very cool collection called the Factory No. 5. And everything basically looks kind of industrial and not what it appears. The packaging for these special Chanel No. 5 scented products are given this kind of everyday object look to them. So here is one of the boxes that I ordered from Chanel. These were purchased from 3 different sources. I purchased directly from the Chanel website. I purchased from the Saks website, I believe, and then I purchased one thing from Poshmark, which means yes, I paid way more than the retail value, but I wanted it so bad that, and thankfully I'd made a bunch of sales, so I was able to cover the cost, so it didn't hurt as bad. But all the information will be down in the description box below. These are mostly sold out. At the time I'm filming this, there's still a few things left, but I will try to link to everything that I can in case they've been restocked or still available. In addition to showing you everything that I purchased from this collection, I also have a giveaway, so make sure you watch to the very end so that you can see how you can win one of these products. So again, this is one of the boxes that some of the products came in, and I'm going to show you everything that I purchased from this collection. I didn't purchase absolutely everything from the collection. I purchased the things that I mostly wanted. It came with one of the bags. Now, if you purchase this from a Chanel beauty boutique, the products came in these bags, and then depending on where the boutique is, you got different colored stickers to close it. This just came with one bag, no stickers. The box that I purchased from Chanel did come with a Chanel receipt in the Chanel sleeve. So here's everything that I purchased from the Chanel website, my receipt. It says Factory 5 collection. The Chanel Factory 5 products are limited edition pieces. Each product ships in protective packaging to ensure it is secured during transit and arrives in optimal condition. Please discard the protective packaging and recycle accordingly. It came with a little gift with purchase. I got these 2 little samples here. So let's go ahead and start showing you some of the products. Here's the Chanel No. 5 bar soap. And it comes in this really beautiful black and white tin right here, and it smells so good. And here's the Chanel No. 5 Sparkling Body Gel. It comes in a tin bottle with a screw-on cap. So it kind of gives you like paint thinner kind of, you know what I mean, kind of vibes. This one right here is the Chanel No. 5 Shower Gel. Here is what it looks like, and as you can see, it looks like dish soap. It has that little pop top right here where you would squeeze it onto a sponge and clean your dishes. That is what this shower gel looks like. Here's the Chanel No. 5 body lotion box. This one is travel size, so you get 5 body lotions in here, and as you can see, they look like little paints. They do have a full-sized version of the body lotion, but I just like these better. I just thought it was cuter, and I can travel with this, keep it in my bag. Very cute. Here is the Chanel No. 5 bath tablets. Now this one I really wanted. I just thought the packaging was so beautiful, and it was one of the ones that I just had to have from the collection, and I'm so glad that I got my hands on it. And here are the bath tablets. And this one is very fragrant. Here is the Chanel No. 5 Shower Gel Packs. As you can see, it comes in something that looks like a paint can. Now this one is actually just cardboard, but the top and bottom of it is tin. And each individual shower gel pack looks like this. Very cute. Again, you can travel with this because they're so small. And it smells so good. Next, we have the mystery box, even though it's actually a cone. And when you open it up, it has a couple of products in there. This is also something super neat. This right here is actually a towel. And what you do is you open the plastic up and then you dip it into water and then it becomes this full-size little face towelette. So super neat, super cool. Had to have it, and I'm so glad that I got my hands on it. A glass nail file that has its own little felt sleeve right there. Love this. This is really cute, neat to carry around in your purse. The Chanel No. 5 hand cream. This I'm sure you've seen around everywhere. Beauty, luxury lovers love carrying this around, and so here's the Chanel No. 5 scented hand cream. And then last but not least is the Chanel No. 5 water bottle. This is the item that I had to purchase on Poshmark because it was sold out everywhere. I live in New York City and I called the Chanel boutiques, I called Saks, and they were gone within, I'm sure, like the first hour of the sale of this collection. So I went on Poshmark, and yes, again, I paid, I don't even want to think about how much I paid, but a lot more than the retail price. But because I'd sold some things on Poshmark, it was all money that was already in my account, so I didn't have to take anything out of pocket. So that was what made the purchase not so painful. If you aren't signed up to Poshmark, sign up to Poshmark. It's a great way to get rid of things that you no longer want or use or don't fit into anymore. Super easy. Check in the description box below. I link to Poshmark, and I have a code there where you can get $5 or $10 actually, I think, in credits, so that you can use that towards your first purchase. So definitely just sign up to Poshmark. It's great. So yeah, so here is the glass bottle. Just really beautiful. I love the CCs of the cap. It has like this silicone sleeve and is glass, and yeah, oh, so excited to have this. And as promised, here is the giveaway. I am giving away a mystery box. So with this cone, in this cone I should say, comes the hand cream, the nail file, and the towel. So if you want to win one of these, then just go to the description box below. I will link to a post on Domesticated Me, my blog, and it'll show you all the ways that you can enter. You have multiple ways to enter. You can enter by being a subscriber on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, joining my newsletter, etc., etc. Lots and lots of ways. If you have a significant other or family member who is a fan of Chanel, or you just want to have someone else help you out and win one of these, go ahead and send this video to them as well, so that they can enter for you or on their own. Yeah, so there you go. Or for themselves, because who wouldn't want to win these cool little products? Please let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite product from this collection. Let me know if you purchased or shopped this collection. I'd love to know what you got. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can set your notifications on for all. That way you'll be notified whenever my videos go out, and I make new videos every single week. So make sure you have that setting on so that you don't miss a thing. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.